Starts the day across many parts of the country, and for that we had to thank this all too transient ridge of high pressure. But now we're beginning to look a little bit further to the west, and this area of low and its attendant fronts are going to gradually work their way towards the north and west of the British Isles, spreading in cloud and rain. Now, through my window at the moment here across London, things looking really quite decent indeed. Still some sunshine, but there's been more cloud in the last hour or two than the first thing this morning, and that's been the way of it across many parts of the country through the past 2 or 3 hours. So for the lunchtime period, it looks as though there's going to be just a little bit of sunshine down in the south coast through the south and east, and perhaps on the eastern side of Scotland, but not so across many western parts of the British Isles. I think it's going to stay dry at Trent Bridge, temperatures pushing on towards 17 degrees. In the latter part of the afternoon on through this evening, more cloud and rain eventually pushing into the western side of Ireland and up through the western side of Scotland too, where it will turn really quite breezy. Where the sunshine stays down in the south, 18 degrees can be yours. Further north, feeling that wee bit cooler, around about 12 or 13. Now overnight, that cloud and rain associated with these fronts will push in across many parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, the north of England, and perhaps getting down in towards North Wales by the end of the night. With all the cloud and rain around, not a particularly cold night anywhere. We're looking at 7 to 10 right across the country. Now by Wednesday, the first push of rain will be away into the North Sea, but this trailing front will keep things pretty cloudy across the central portion of the UK. Turning just a little bit dry, I would have thought, into the western side of Scotland as the rain moves through, but even away from that frontal zone, the western-facing coast of both Wales and the West Country will have a fairly slow start to the day with a fair amount of cloud. If you can get inland and away from the coast, well, there will be a little bit of sunshine, and where we see the sunshine, again, the temperatures lifting to 19 or 20, always that wee bit cooler, though, further towards the north. As we move on through towards Thursday, something of a change. The air is just beginning to come in from the continent, where it's been particularly warm over the past few days, so still pretty dull in the far north and west, but some thunderstorms later in the day, triggered off by the high temperatures.